Yeah, hello, Marty Baker here. I'm over on Henley-on-Thames and showing you around the outside of this stunning project here. A beautiful courtyard garden that's had a lot of work done to it already, a lot of development underway, but this building stands tall and proud, and what a design piece. Taking inspiration from the Rachel Guzzi room, this has the London Stone Design Clad porcelain exterior with the dark steel on the outside front there and onto these little side returns, and then the Corten steel on the inside. Now the sides are standard because it's all going to have planting and flowering, all part of the design. Because it's used as a gym, we've gone extra height and had planning approved, so that has been underway for a while, and then this building was completed around about 6 weeks ago. The front, say that beautiful porcelain front, it really is a lovely texture to feel, just completely different for a garden room. Mitered edges for the Corten steel and the dark steel, like kind of interaction there. Hopefully you're getting that in the sun. Let me come around here. I've got to say this garden really has touches of architectural plants and Rachel Guzzi, so I'm really loving the feel of it here. When it's complete, I can't wait to show you around. Now the clients have asked me to refrain from showing inside. It's being used as a storage building at the moment, but these lovely bifolding doors open with the integrated blinds and the anti-sun grey glass. It will look absolutely stunning when complete and open. We've done it's got a toilet, shower and also climate control in there, so a real perfect gym at the moment being used as the house is developed, and just really beautiful. So hopefully in the sunshine you'll capture that stunning London Stone design clad exterior, and more on this in the coming months when it's fully furnished and being used inside. I'll come back and share with you that. Hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do. Thank you for watching.